AI and pharma promotion is not the distant future anymore. It's here. It's reshaping how campaigns are designed, reviewed, and deployed. This podcast is for CEOs and chief marketing officers who are going, can I use AI in my toolkit going forward? Whether we're talking about idea generation or final distribution, AI tools are cutting time and costs. They're improving targeting and making personalization possible at scale. I just had someone talk to me today about how agencies are already coming out and saying that they want to create images using AI. Well, what are the risks associated with using AI like that? Truth is, in addition to the speed that they provide, they also create risks that the leadership teams have not planned for. So if you're listening and you haven't already subscribed to the KLF Deep Dive podcast, do it now, because we break down exactly what leaders like you need to know before your competitors do. So what are the big issues? We're talking about ownership of input and outputted data. We're talking about opacity of AI, quote unquote, black boxes, the precision of your messaging, and the very real possibility of hallucinated content making its way onto the market. So here's a question for you. Think about it. If your AI inadvertently sends promotional messages to an audience that shouldn't, or generates claims that violate FDA guidances, who's accountable? Your vendor, your marketing team, or you as the CEO? And what's your defense if PRC says they never approved that? Well, that kind of already happened with Air Canada that tried to disavow what a chatbot put out. So it's a very real possibility. Companies are already moving ahead. They're planning for this. They're implementing bias audits. They're embedding ethical guardrails. And they're writing contractual protections with AI vendors. They're training teams to validate AI outputs before they hit the public. Then you have others. Others who are letting the tech run around without a governance plan. And those are the ones that regulators will make examples of. You already have examples of deepfakes and the like all being targeted by regulators. The opportunity, let's be clear, is massive. AI can and will streamline PRC review. They're going to ensure brand consistency and even detect compliance risks before humans can spot them. Keyword is can and will. So far, honestly, I've been less than impressed. Leaders who think that compliance will figure it out later will end up reacting to crises instead of shaping strategy. The smart play is to treat AI like a high-value but high-risk partner. Build clear policies for how it's used, define ownership and IP rights up front, define transparency and indemnification from vendors, and ensure that your team knows exactly where AI fits and where it doesn't. Life science promotion has always been a tightrope between creativity and compliance. CEOs and CMOs who win are not the ones avoiding AI. They're the ones who are walking into it eyes wide open. They're the ones ready to defend every decision their algorithms make. So if you're leading a life sciences company and you're not talking about AI governance in every marketing meeting, you're already behind. This is about survival, not just hype. So if you need guidance on where to start, the Kulkarni Law Firm will help you build AI-ready marketing strategies that regulators respect and competitors envy. Call, click, or email